Hello, YouTubers. Hello to all the friends and all the viewers. My name is George, and I would like to share with you my experiments, what I'm learning. Really sorry for my bad language, because it's not my mother language. I would say I'm coming from Greece. I'm living in Germany, and I'm making a lot of experiments about electricity, batteries, and vehicles and all that. At this point, this is, as you can see, I own a motorhome. This is where I'm experimenting the most of my patents. It's a Ford Transit, 2.4 liter, a non-reliable vehicle, and we have already an acid battery inside, and we have some problems with voltages and the current after after we draw a bit, because the battery, first of all, it's a bit old. And now my experiment is, for this summer we would like to travel to Greece with this vehicle, and the house that it is already installed, it doesn't have any air condition, and this is what I like to share with you, how you can find a low consumption home air condition, 220 volts. Also, this is new to me also, it's a lithium battery from this Chinese company that it's called, you can see it already. I bought it, it's not, I bought it with my own money. And I'm already experimenting some stuff here, and that's good. I don't think that it's not gonna work. Also, stay tuned, because in a couple of days I will start. I don't know how to filming. I don't have any idea about videos making and also editing. I would like to share some stuff. This is, as you can see, I'm already experimenting. And also, this is my workshop here, my small workshop. This is what I'm doing for living. I'm repairing electronic circuits, also making my own circuits and all this stuff. So stay tuned, as I said, for some patents with all this stuff, and also the vehicle. Bye.